Time to do some work with the old 310 SG. First thing you gotta do every time before you run, first thing of the day, we are going to check the fluids and beat out the air filter. Looks like whoever did this last didn't put this back on very well. Could have been me. I try to not. So you have these hard plastic ends, actually the rubber, and then you have the fins. And as you can see in there, you can see some of the fins pushed over. Probably about time for a new filter. But if you avoid hitting those fins and just hit the rubber. I feel like most of the dust is on this end. I don't know if you can see the dust coming off of it, but there's a good bit of dust coming off of it. Today is a very damp day, so I don't think we're going to have the same trouble with dust today. Alright, while I am down here, I'm going to check the diesel. Well, the oil, sorry. Okay. Not a bad spot. Seems how we are down a hill. Let's make sure I get the camera on what I'm doing. Fluid is technically in the, if I get the right angle, in the cold range there. The vehicle is sitting on a slope, so I'm not going to get the best reading off that. Just wanted to make sure it wasn't abnormal. And then check the coolant. Yep, got plenty of coolant. Close it back up. Got to put the inner air filter in first. Let's see if I can do this with one hand. Hard to do with one hand. Make sure I get these snug up in there. And then this air filter top is sometimes hard to get to close very well. It'll go on fine. Sometimes these clips don't actually. There's one more on the back side here. It's not wanting to clip onto anything in particular. There we go. Much better. All right. There we go. Now we're going to go around to the correct side to get in. Something I want to mention is the extended boom does extend when it's parked like this, so I do have somewhat of a problem there. Not really leaking, but so hold it tight. Something that I'm very thankful for this morning is climate control. So I am going to get this started. All right. Wait for the stop light to go off. I want to do a cold start. If I can reach both at once. Alright, that's how she do. Let her warm up, then I'll get some clips of the action. Here we go. that is going to conclude the video for today. Just did some work. Had some gravel, well, I guess crushed rock on the roads down at Camp Grace, and just spread them around. Made them smoother. Used some of the piles in different spots and what have you. So it was a good day. Got some work done. Enjoyed it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, like this video, and subscribe to my channel. Also, I'll have a link to my Instagram page where I put daily updates about what's going on in the trucks and other stuff world. And also, I update every Monday and Thursday. There's a new video, and you also can find more about that on my Instagram page. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.